Now that the world's opening up again, PEZ dispensers being at conventions, the PEZ conventions, are going to be readily available. You will be able to expand your collection like no other. So I highly recommend going to a PEZ convention if you get a chance. It's good times, real good times, plus good people. There we go. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZbook channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, all right. So I have a candy pack, as well as the iPEZ. This is so cool. So, an iPod was a thing way before the iPhone. And that is, the praying on here, that is the control on the iPod. Well, this one here is on a PEZ dispenser, so we can control it. Let's crank the volume up! Okay, let's turn it down a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Josh was getting a little too excited about that. So, back in the day, that day was July 21st, 2006. As you can see, it's a commemorative dispenser from the Cincinnati and Columbus area PEZheads in Ohio. Well, they, each year they would get together and have a little party. And look at this. Offer a little party candy. I do like this green pack. That is really cool. But as you can see, it says iPEZ. And the iPEZ goes with the iPEZ dispenser. Very cool. Both of them custom. Fantasy pieces, if you will. But so well done. So well done. A lot of them that came out of these list parties were really cool. And here's yet another. So until next time.